Ever driven a car that has radar detecting cruise control where the speed of the car is automatically modified to provide safe distance to the car in front of you? Do you need cruise control at all? For a few of you that do long distance driving, you could say it's more of a necessity, but for the rest of us, it's just nice, isn't it? The same principle applies to the laser pointer. Since MultiCam makes all types of machine cutting platforms, we've learned things that are considered a must in one industry is really nice to have in another. For instance, working with a full sheet of 1-inch steel on a plasma or water jet, you can imagine how using the bright red crosshairs to easily locate the corner and define the rotation of the sheet is a must-have because you're not going to bump that heavy sheet around to make it square to the table. Not being able to easily align the sheet on the router may not be a common issue, but automation and ease of use do matter. I really like using the laser pointer anytime I need to set a new 0-0 point, but it's really nice to have when you're working with remnants to cut a single part or two. Pressing the 0 key on your keypad activates the crosshairs. Simply jog over to the area where you want to start cutting, press the set home key, enter, and you're done. With the low cost of this option, you won't have any financial regrets once you start using the laser pointer in your production.